In my lab, we study how people and animals move, and in particular, how the nervous system interacts with the biomechanics of the body and the environment to produce useful movement. And in particular, we study balance control as well as walking. My parents were born in China and went to Taiwan, where they grew up, and then came to the US for graduate studies. As a child, we spoke Chinese at home. I spoke English at preschool, and then when I was 5, we moved to Italy, and I learned Italian. So I've been speaking multiple languages and doing a lot of translating throughout my life, and I think that actually translates really well to what I do today in bridging seemingly different disciplines.
And that would be position dependent, so you'd have X.
I have a number of students and postdocs. They come from all sorts of disciplines, from neuroscience, from mechanical engineering, from robotics and biomedical engineering. In college, I chose mechanical engineering, partly because I wanted to be an astronaut and I was interested in space exploration and aeronautics and things like that. And I met a graduate student in robotics who pointed me to a biology professor's lab, where I ended up spending 2 or 3 years doing research studying actually how insects move. And the principles that we found have actually been used to develop 6-legged robots that are able to walk on complex surfaces. These are our Neuromechanics Lab t-shirts. But I ultimately decided I wanted to work on something a little bit more directly applicable to human movement, balance, and particularly to rehabilitation.
I'm ready.
Now, with the advent of robots that you can buy off the shelf, we can actually think about using robotics to assist people with gait or balance impairments. A lot of my insights about human movement come from the fact that I like to do a lot of different sports. So this understanding of how muscles work together in groups, both because of the way neurons act together as well as how they act on the biomechanics, has been one of our major contributions to science.